Whether you have money or not, I suggest you buy this. It's the grilling tongs that even Michelin-starred chefs use. Ever since I bought one for my mom, I no longer worry about her getting burned by hot oil while cooking. It's made of 304 stainless steel with a non-slip design. Safe and hygienic, wear-resistant and rust-resistant, corrosion-proof, non-slip and heat-resistant, and won't burn your hands. Use it to toss a salad, flip a steak, or miss noodles. It's very convenient. One clip does it all. Today, the first 100 orders get 50% off with free shipping. Spots are limited. Click the link below.